So today we're looking at Tesla's new in-app feature to schedule charging and departure right from the app. It is important to note that this feature is only available. You have version 4.1 of the Tesla app or newer, and you have vehicle software version 2021.36 or newer on your Tesla. As you see here, you have departure and you have charge. The difference is this one tells the car when to start charging and departure tells it when to finish charging. This is the one I prefer. You see here, I have it set to 4:15 in the morning. Preconditioning heats up your interior of your car and sets the battery. So you can set that to weekdays or all week. Off-peak charging. Now, if you get charged differently through different times of the day, you can set that here. You can do all week or weekdays, and you can set when you want the car to finish charging. So the difference here is if this is set to, let's say, noon, and your off-peak is set to 5 in the morning, it'll finish charging the battery by 5 and precondition your car by noon. You can also come back to the main screen, and from the climate, see here down at the bottom that it is going to precondition your interior cat. Click on this to bring you back here, and if you turn that off, you will find that it is not going to do that. That is all you need to know, and as always, have a great day.